Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am doing my last index card. It's been a long time coming, I guess. So this card has circles and I decided to pull out my markers again, and this time I am going to draw my flowers right in the circles. And yes, those are the Staedtler markers that are water reactive. And I'm just going to draw the flowers in there and then spray them up with some water. So I'm putting a little bit like a double layer. I don't know. And switching up the variety. This does take a bit of a minute to go through and put all the petals on. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to spray it with water. So I think I'll speed up this section a little bit and yeah, make it go a little faster. Okay, so now it's a little bit faster anyway. So since this is kind of repetitive, I'm just going to play some music for a few minutes and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to spray it with water. I decided to spray a little bit on the back before I sprayed the front, just so that it doesn't warp. And yeah, you'll see it's dry, it loses most of its color. But I'm just going to go and re-outline those petals again. There we go. Now I'm just going to use the Posca to get the yellow kind of bright in the center. And of course, it's me. So I'm going to take some white paint and kind of, I decided to cover up the bleeding areas where the color bled out of the circle, and add a little white to the petals and stuff to give it more dimension, I guess. Because it does later, once I've got the white in there, it does look more natural looking. But putting white in the background, I think I wanted the whole background to be white, but then I end up adding color back into it, so it's just playing around, right? We're just playing push and pull of adding color, taking away color, and adding color again. See, so this is where I decide, well, because I gotten a little white paint on the border of that purple, I decide I wanted to add some back in and kind of blend it around. So I end up doing that on all of them, I think. Just adding that line back in, and then I decide to add a word. And since this is my last one, I hope you've enjoyed watching them. If you have, or if you've seen the series, let me know if you liked it. And yeah, which one's your favorite? Wasn't very straight. I gotta fix it. Okay, there we go. And I think I put a little bit of ink around the border. Just pulled out some purple ink. 'Cause why not? And then I go around the word create. And then I think it's about done. So I hope you've enjoyed this and the series. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and have an awesome day.